Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the exercise 7.2 of permutations. First of all, we start with factorial notation. We can see the notation n and l sort under it, or n with a line and dot represents the product of first n natural numbers, where factorial n is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 up to n minus 1 into n. Factorial 0 has value 1. Factorial 1 is 1. Factorial 2 is 1 into 2, 2. Factorial 3 is 1 into 2 into 3 is 6. Factorial 4 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 24. Factorial 5 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, that is 120. Factorial 6 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6, that is 720. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. First part is evaluate factorial 8. You can evaluate it yourself. Factorial 8 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. Kindly evaluate and write your answer. Evaluate factorial 4 minus factorial 3. We know factorial 4 as written above is 24, factorial 3 is 6. The difference of 24 and 6 is 18. Is factorial 3 plus factorial 4 equal to factorial 7? Now let us check. Factorial 3 plus factorial 4 is 6 plus 24, 30. And factorial 7 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7, that is 5040. So you can see that factorial 3 plus factorial 4 is not equal to factorial 7. Then question number 3 is compute factorial 8 upon factorial 6 into factorial 2. Factorial 8 can be written as in descending order 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. In the denominator we have factorial 6, and factorial 2 can be written as 1 into 2, that becomes 2. Factorial 6 is cancelled from above and below. We are left with 8 sevens are 56 upon 2, that is 28. Fourth question is find the value of x if 1 upon factorial 6 plus 1 upon factorial 7 is equal to x upon factorial 8. We multiply the whole equation by factorial 8. We get factorial 8 upon factorial 6 is plus factorial 8 upon factorial 7, that is the value of x. Now factorial 8 upon factorial 6 can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, where 6 factorial gets cancelled, and factorial 8 upon factorial 7 can be written as 8 into factorial 7 upon factorial 7, where factorial 7 gets cancelled. We get 8 sevens are 56 plus 8. The value of x is 64. Now the value of n factorial upon n minus r factorial is to be calculated. N is 6 and r is 2. Factorial n upon n minus r factorial, this becomes factorial 6 upon 6 minus 2 factorial. Factorial 6 upon factorial 4. Factorial 6 can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon factorial 4, where 6 into 5 becomes 30. So the value of first part is 30. In the second part we have n is equal to 9, r is equal to 5. We can write factorial n upon n minus r factorial as factorial 9 upon 9 minus 5 factorial. This becomes 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon factorial 4. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. When we multiply, we get 15120. This is all about exercise 7.2. Now we come to the basic definition of word permutation. Now here the definition of permutation is given, and what is permutation? Now it is written, a permutation is an arrangement in a definite order of a number of objects taken some or all at a time. The number of permutations of n different objects taken r at a time is p bracket n comma r or npr, as you can see. The formula for permutations is factorial n upon n minus r factorial. We will do very few questions of exercise 7.3 today, just 4 questions, and the rest of the questions we will take up on the next turn. The first question is, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed using digits 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated? P n r is equal to factorial n upon n minus r. Here we are having total 9 digits, out of which we have to arrange 3 digits, where P93 can be written as factorial 9 upon 9 minus 3 factorial. Now 9 minus 3 factorial becomes 6 factorial. Let us write in descending order factorial 9 as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 6 factorial. 6 factorial gets cancelled. We get 9 into 8 into 7, 504 3-digit numbers are possible. Second question is, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman from 8 persons, assuming one person cannot hold 2 positions? Here n is 8, r is 2, P82 is factorial 8 upon 8 minus 2 factorial, that is 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 6 factorial. We are left with 8 into 7, 56 ways. Third question is, how many words can be made using all letters of the word equation? We have 8 letters in word equation and we are using all the 8 letters. We find P88 factorial 8 upon 8 minus 8, that is 0 factorial. The value of factorial 8 is 40320. So there are 40320 words possible. Then we have fourth question, how many 3-digit even numbers can be made without repetition of digits using 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7? The unit place can be filled by even numbers. Then the choices are 2, 4, 6 in P31 ways. P31 is factorial 3 upon 3 minus 1, that is 3 into factorial 2 upon factorial 2, 3 ways. Tens and 100 places can be filled by 5 digits. 1 digit is used at the unit place. So we are left with a choice of 2 digits out of 5 digits. So we are left with P52 is equal to factorial 5 upon factorial 5 into 2, that is 5 into 4 into factorial 3 upon factorial 3, that is 20 ways. Now total 3-digit numbers should be product of these two, that is 3 and 20, that is 60 ways. So 63-digit even numbers can be formed. Thank you very much. On the next turn, we will complete the exercise 7.3.